Join No One Doctor, the ultimate Telegram community for aspiring medical professionals seeking to excel in their education and career. No One Doctor provides free access to an unparalleled collection of medical books, articles, videos, mobile apps, and more curated specifically for students, residents, and physicians. Stay up to date with the latest medical knowledge through summaries of cutting-edge studies, textbooks, and research papers shared daily. Expand your skills and stand out from your peers with exclusive tips, techniques, and advice from established doctors and mentors. No One Doctor is more than just an educational resource. Connect with like-minded individuals, collaborate on cases, participate in group discussions, and receive mentorship from seasoned medical professionals within a supportive community. If you're a medical student, young doctor, or resident looking to ace exams, enhance your practice, and stay ahead in your field, then No One Doctor is your go-to platform. Join today and unlock a world of knowledge and opportunities to grow. Share this link with fellow colleagues and medical professionals to help build an even more robust community and platform.